Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Danielle and I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video I'm just going to quickly show you how I've done this quick and easy braid out. It is more or less called a half braid out because I just braided up half of my hair, and it comes with nice volumized waves. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching.
So I start off with old straightened hair, which we're going to turn wavy. So then I get my moisturizer. I'm using more of a water-based moisturizer. And then I'm going to split my hair in half and really work in that moisturizer. Then I'm going to use a mousse. I'm using a mousse just to give it an extra hold. And then I'm just going to work that in. And then I'm just going to use my brush to brush it out, and then my slick brush just to slick it all up and smooth it all out. So then I'm going to get my hair in 3 pieces and start braiding that up. Make sure you try and get even pieces as well. And when you're braiding it, try to do it tight as possible. That is how you get your definition. Then I'm going to use my favorite hairband and I'm just going to tie that at the end. And then I'm going to continue on the other side. So now I get my headscarf and I'm just going to tie that up and then obviously wash my face off and then go to bed. So it's the next day and I just use a bit of olive oil and I just rub that in my hair. Then I carefully unravel my hair. And then I just do the same on the other side. And when I'm separating it, I'm just letting it separate itself. More or less, it's just falling apart itself. But I wasn't separating it too much. If you really want big volumized curls, then really separate it.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial of my nice quick and easy braid out. Thought it's a really good look, nice big voluminous waves. So yeah, I really like this look. So as always, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. So take care now. Bye.